Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is Vishal and you're watching Nifty and Bank Nifty short-term view. I hope that market is treating you with pretty handsome profits and let's start with the video. आज हमने देखा कि निफ्टी स्पॉट करीबन 49 पॉइंट्स प्लस में बंद हुआ है एंड बैंक निफ्टी स्पॉट भी ऑलमोस्ट 133 पॉइंट्स ग्रीन टेरिटरी में बंद हुआ है. अगर आज करीबन स्टार्टिंग जब हुआ मार्केट का आई थिंक अराउंड 9:15 और 10:15 10:30 जो फर्स्ट आवर था ट्रेडिंग का, आई थिंक जो कैंडल बन रहा था यहाँ पे वो काफी नेगेटिव कैंडल था. इट वाज लुकिंग समथिंग लाइक दिस. द कैंडल वाज प्रीटी मच रेड कलर्ड कैंडल and there was some sort of even lower high visible in the RSI and there was a higher high visible in the price. If this would have happened, then probably there would be some sort of sell-off coming up in the next few days. But instead of this, bulls have showed resilience, यानी कि bulls ने काफी ज्यादा strength दिखाई और मार्केट को ऊपर खींच के लेके गए. अगर हम ठीक से देखें, आज का जो लो था 18,200 के करीब जो था, वहां से ऑलमोस्ट मार्केट हैज बीन एबल टू पुल इटसेल्फ बाय 125 to 126 points, which is really nice. Now, in terms of state of trend, the trend is obviously up in the daily and in the hourly time frame charts, but we cannot deny that there is still a higher high in price and lower high in RSI. मैं ये जो एरिया है आपके लिए हाईलाइट करूंगा. ये देखिए, प्राइस ने हायर हाई बना दिया है एंड आरएसआई ने यहाँ पे लोअर हाई बनाया है. सो दिस इज अ साइन ऑफ डिक्लाइनिंग मोमेंटम. दिस इज अ साइन दैट द स्पीड ऑफ मार्केट going higher is declining steadily and very, very slowly. Now, one another reason for this short-term sell-off, which happened today and little bit yesterday, is this particular resistance. 18,367 का जो फिबोनाची एक्सटेंशन है, ये एक रेजिस्टेंस है. ये जरूर मैं मानूंगा कि प्राइस अभी तक वहां पे टेस्ट नहीं किया है, प्राइस ने अभी तक टेस्ट नहीं किया है, बट कभी कभार ऐसा हो सकता है कि प्राइस को पहले से ही पता चल जाए दैट there is a resistance over there and prices will start declining. Traders will start booking short-term profits. Now, as far as price is above 18,180, especially today's low is a very important support, 18,200, and after that 18,180 170. ये जो बैंड है शॉर्ट टर्म का, अगर अवरली टाइम फ्रेम चार्ट में प्राइस इसके नीचे क्लोज होके सस्टेन होता है, देन देयर इज लिटिल बिट ऑफ चांस दैट प्राइसेस विल डिक्लाइन स्लाइटली ऑन द डाउन साइड. ओवरऑल बायसनेस ऊपर की तरफ ही रहेगा, बट in short term, in this entire trend, there could be some sort of profit booking or consolidation, which is actually necessary. But again, whatever markets are delivering to us, we have to accept it. Okay. Now let us have a look at Bank Nifty. Now the trend of Bank Nifty is slightly weaker in comparison to Nifty. अगर हम ठीक से देखें तो निफ्टी में क्या हो रहा है कि it is continuously making higher highs and it is making higher lows in price. But if you check in Bank Nifty, things have changed. This is the first high, this is the second high, this is again the low, and this is the second low. So basically, the range in Bank Nifty spot in the hourly time frame charts is declining. So this means that it is consolidating. Overall biasness is still on the upside, but if price closes below 42,500 or 42,450, then हल्का फुल्का करेक्शन शायद नीचे आ सकता है. मे बी 200 से 300 पॉइंट बैंक निफ्टी में करेक्शन आ सकता है. Until and unless this particular level is not taken off, we will be able to see some sort of rally going ahead, and probably 43,500, 43,550 or 43,600 could be tested in near future. Now, in these all sectoral indices, one sectoral index I look is PSU Banking Index. Now, PSU Banking Index has declined recently, no doubt about that. But overall, I feel this is the first wave, this is the second wave, and there is a pretty decent chance if the next rally starts, whenever it starts, whenever the momentum is visible in the daily time frame charts of PSU banks, then you will be seeing some really nice fireworks happening on the upside. As of now, I have no views on any particular PSU banking stocks, but I'll be waiting very, very patiently. If I find anything possibly in next couple of days, then I'll surely share it in the weekly sectoral analysis video. All right. So I hope today's video has helped you to understand how Nifty and Bank Nifty will be moving. And again, just quickly coming back to the Nifty spot chart, remember that the trend is up, but still the risk reward ratio is not extremely favorable in the favor of the bulls because we are still near resistance and market is slightly overbought. So if you are trying to look at new stocks to buy for swing trades, look at stocks which have not rallied recently and they are just giving a breakout. Now, one of the stocks which I am concentrating right now is sort of NTPC. It is just consolidating, but hopefully if it gives a decent breakout in the short term charts, you will be able to see 180, 181, possibly even 182 in the short term. ठीक है? So हो सके तो ये वीडियो ऐसे ट्रेडर्स के साथ शेयर करिए, अपने कलीग्स के साथ शेयर करिए जिनको शायद जरूरत है, एंड ट्रेड वाइज ट्रेड सेफली. थैंक यू.